To add a GoDaddy email to Gmail, you will need to follow these steps. First, sign in to your Gmail account and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Then select See All Settings. Next, click on the Accounts and Import tab. Then click on Add a Mail Account. Enter your GoDaddy email address and click Next. Then select Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3. You will need to enter your GoDaddy email password and the POP server settings, which can be found in your GoDaddy account. The POP server settings are typically pop.secureserver.net for the incoming server and smtpout.secureserver.net for the outgoing server. The port number for the incoming server is usually 995 and the port number for the outgoing server is usually 465. Make sure to select the option to always use a secure connection, SSL, for both the incoming and outgoing servers. Click Add Account to complete the setup process. You will then be asked if you want to be able to send emails from your GoDaddy email address. If you want to be able to send emails, select Yes and enter your name and the email address you want to send from. You will then need to verify your GoDaddy email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by Gmail. Once you have verified your email address, you will be able to send and receive emails from your GoDaddy email account using Gmail. This process allows you to manage all of your emails from one place, making it easier to stay organized and focused. It is also important to note that you should be careful when entering your email password and server settings, as incorrect settings can cause problems with your email account. If you encounter any issues during the setup process, you can contact GoDaddy or Gmail support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily add your GoDaddy email to Gmail and start managing your emails more efficiently.